Ito ang miniature ng Grand Mosque. Ang galing. Wow. Miniature design.
There's cars.
Yes.
Daddy, where's your car?
Move out. Merong... Oh. Ito ang miniature niya ng Grand Mosque. Ang galing guys, oh. Architecture. May mga sasakyan pa talaga, oh. Kita niyo mga car. There's even cars, Grant, oh. And this is the main. Wow, ang ganda.
Baby, napawas ka ikaw. Dito tayo.
Mos. Oh, ang ganda.
Wow, look at there.
There's even small cars, parking.
Have we been there, Daddy?
There's one more there, oh.
Have
No,
we
we haven't been here. This is a different one.
This one.
This is a different. This is Grand Mosque Al Fujairah.
We haven't,
And this is the Grand Mosque Al Fujairah.
we haven't been.
Oh.
Ito,
That's
Ito,
all.
ano,
Khalifa, Grand Mosque.
Burj Khalifa Grand Mosque.
Which one Khalifa?
There.
ang galing nito, no? Ibang design. Look at this.
Saan to, be? Makita na.
Eh, nakala Fujairah nga eh. Ikaw naman. Tingnan mo yun, saka yun, Sheikh Khalifa Grand Mosque naman yan. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung saan location niya. Ang galing. Oh, look, oh. This Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, very beautiful. Where is this? You know where is it located?
No.
Al Ain. And this is the Grand Mosque. Grabe.